How to build your credit score. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something super important, especially if you're planning to apply for loans or credit cards in the future, how to build your credit score. But before we delve into the business of the day, we need to know what credit is and what a credit score is. Credit refers to the ability of an individual or a business to borrow money or obtain goods and services on the promise of future payment. A credit score, on the other hand, is a numerical representation of a person's creditworthiness, which is calculated based on their credit history, payment behavior, and other factors. The credit score is used by lenders, banks, and financial institutions to assess the risk of lending money to an individual or business. It is a three-digit number, usually between 300 and 850, with a higher score indicating better creditworthiness and a lower score indicating a higher risk. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some practical tips and tricks that you can use to boost your credit score and get on the path to financial stability. So, let's get started. Tip number 1: get a credit card. The first thing you need to do if you want to build your credit score is to get a credit card. But make sure you get a credit card with a low credit limit so that you don't overspend and fall into debt. Start by making small purchases and paying them off on time every month. This will help you build a positive credit history and show lenders that you can manage credit responsibly. Tip number 2: pay bills on time. Your payment history is one of the most important factors that determine your credit score. Late payments can hurt your credit score, so make sure you pay your bills on time every month. Set up automatic payments or reminders to help you stay on track. Tip number 3: keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to the amount you have available. It's best to keep your credit utilization below 30% to avoid hurting your credit score. If you have a high balance on your credit card, try to pay it off as soon as possible to keep your credit utilization low. Tip number 4: check your credit report. It's important to regularly check your credit report to make sure that all the information is accurate. If you notice any errors, dispute them with the credit bureau to have them corrected. Checking your credit report also allows you to monitor your progress and see how your credit score is improving over time. Tip number 5: don't apply for too much credit at once. When you apply for credit, it results in a hard inquiry on your credit report. Too many hard inquiries can hurt your credit score. So, try to avoid applying for too much credit at once. Instead, take the time to research the best options and only apply for credit when you need it. So, those are my top tips for building your credit score. Remember, building your credit score takes time and patience, but with these tips, you can start to see improvements in no time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you at the next one.